Welcome to the City of Lights, where history meets modernity and romance fills the air. In this immersive guide, join us as we uncover the magic of Paris through its top travel destinations. Our journey commences at the Louvre Museum, a treasure trove housing centuries of art and history. From the enigmatic smile of the Mona Lisa to the breathtaking winged victory of Samothrace, be prepared to be enchanted by cultural richness beyond compare. Next, we unveil the awe-inspiring Notre Dame Cathedral, a true marvel of Gothic architecture. Admire its intricate details, from the majestic facade to the mesmerizing rose windows that whisper tales of an era long past. Cruise along the Seine River, where the heartbeat of Paris comes alive. Experience the city's iconic landmarks from a different perspective as you glide past the Eiffel Tower, the captivating Musée d'Orsay, and the quaint bridges that weave the spirit of Paris together. Explore Montmartre, a bohemian haven adorned with cobblestone streets and crowned by the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Let the artistic vibe embrace you as you wander through art galleries, relish street performances, and savor breathtaking panoramic views of the city. No Parisian escapade is complete without ascending the Eiffel Tower. Embrace the city's skyline from its panoramic observation decks, indulging in the unmatched beauty of Paris sprawled beneath you. Stroll along the grandeur of Champs-Élysées, an avenue bustling with high-end boutiques, theaters, and charming cafes. Immerse yourself in the epitome of Parisian elegance and delight in a leisurely shopping spree. Step into the Musée d'Orsay, once a railway station transformed into an art sanctuary. Discover a treasure trove of Impressionist and post-Impressionist masterpieces, allowing the works of Van Gogh, Monet, and Renoir to captivate your senses. Venture beyond Paris to the opulent Palace of Versailles. Wander through its breathtaking gardens, explore its grand halls, and immerse yourself in the opulence that once graced the lives of French royalty. Discover the Musée de l'Orangerie, nestled along the Seine in the Tuileries Garden. Home to Monet's water lilies, this gallery also boasts masterpieces by Cézanne, Picasso, and other maestros, inviting you into an art lover's paradise. Enter Saint-Germain-des-Prés, the intellectual heart of Paris. Wander through this vibrant district, embracing its village-like charm and cultural heritage. Explore the Église Saint-Germain-des-Prés, iconic Café de Flore, and the historic Jardin du Luxembourg. Our journey culminates at the iconic Montparnasse Tower, a testament to Paris's architectural heritage. Ascend to the 56th and 59th floors for breathtaking panoramic views of the entire city, a perfect ending to a Parisian adventure. As our journey concludes, remember that Paris is more than a destination. It's an immersive experience that stays etched in your soul.